Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Eric and this is Vathos Technologies. And today I'm going to walk you through on how to run a DOS attack. So we all know what DOS means. DOS means denial of service. Okay, so when I say DOS attack, I mean denial of service attack. Alright, so we all know the meaning of DOS. If you don't know it, okay, let me just explain it in 1 minute or in 5 seconds. So the DOS attack is when a system or network is overwhelmed with traffic or request, causing it to slow down, crash, or become unavailable to real users. So in the layman's explanation, let me say that it's like flooding a store. You know, a store, just like a big store or maybe ShopRite or whatever. So it's like flooding a store with fake customers so that real ones can't get in. That's what it actually means. All right, so let's kick off. So before we start, this is for disclaimer. This video is only for educational purposes. So Vathos Technologies will not be held responsible for any misuse of information shared in this video. All right, so use this video as an ethical hacker. Use it responsibly. Thank you. All right, so the name of this tool we are going to be using, first of all, you have to have your Kali installed or your Parrot OS. I love using Parrot OS, but today I'm going to be using Kali. So let me zoom in so that you can see what I'm doing very well. All right, so let me enter my roots. That's, all right, so the first command you're going to run, is, first of all, you have to update your system, right? So you say sudo apt update, okay? Let me just write it so that it says sudo apt update. Okay, so just run this and make sure your system is updated. So the next command you can say is sudo apt apt install slow loads. So this is the name of this tool. Okay, it's a wonderful tool to run a DOS attack. Slow load. So you just hit enter and it will be installed automatically. Or if you want to do it manually, you can use the git clone link, which I'm going to drop on the description below. Git clone link here. So just copy it. I might drop it, but you can use this method. This method can get it installed. Okay. So you just when you copy the link like this, you just say, so you just click OK and it's going to be installed. I have it already, so I don't want to install it. All right. So once you have it installed, the next thing you're going to do is to make sure that you have Apache in your Kali machine or your Parrot machine. Make sure you have Apache. So if you don't have Apache or you don't know what Apache means, what do you do? First of all, you install Apache. So how do you install Apache? Say sudo apt install Apache. Okay. Sudo apt install Apache. Okay, let me just do it in case of people that don't know how to do it. Sudo apt say install Apache 2. Okay. Install Apache 2. So this is what we do. So once we are done with this, so the next thing to do is to start your Apache, all right? To start your Apache, all right? All right, so you say this is the next command you are going to run: sudo systemctl start Apache 2. So you say system sudo systemctl start Apache 2. So this is how to do it. You run it. Okay, as you can see, my Apache has started. It's up and running now. I don't want to check it, but it's up and running. But to confirm if it's running, just open your browser. You can just click on Firefox here, or you can just say, you can just come here and write Firefox. Okay, Firefox. Oh, don't worry. Let's just open it from here. So let us check whether our Apache is up and running. So I can now put my IP address here. So I have my IP address. This is my IP address, okay? This is my machine. So you're going to see a welcome page. You should see the Apache welcome page. All right. So this is the Apache welcome page. All right. So if you don't know how to get your IP address, just open your Kali here. Your Kali here. Just open your Kali here, and so just run IP IP address, just IPA. You can just open when you open it, you go to this your network interface. That's where you find your IP address. All right, so the next thing to do now is to run this guy here. Is to run this guy here. So let's go back to our this thing and um let's say slow is slow. Okay, let's go to just do ls. So let's go to this directory. You say cd. You say cd slow is okay. Let's go to this. Let's enter this directory. So we are here. So you can just say something like slow loris help. Okay. So this is how to find help to know more about it too. So as you can see, Control P minus P means port, and this is where you can study all these guys. Minus S means socket. Okay, to create so many sockets, and send to your victim. So you can just study this. Uh, so the next thing we are going to do. So let's run this attack with Lolaris. Okay, so how do we do that? We say sudo slow lowercase. Okay. So sudo slow lowercase. Alright. Let me run it. Sudo slow lowercase. Alright. Then I will now put my IP address .2.0.2.15. So I'll now specify the port I want to run this on. Alright. And now specify the port, which is port 80. The web interface, which is port 80. So this minus S means socket. How many sockets we are creating? We are creating 200 connection. You can also do it if you want the attack to be more heavy. You can do it 300 or 400 or 500. Okay, let me do 500. Okay. Now, we are going to run this and we are going to use our Wireshark. All right, we're going to use our Wireshark to dictate or to monitor the traffic. All right. Okay, so we have our slow lowercase, our IP address, our port, and our socket. All right, so let us run this. So once you run this, the attack will start on. Before we continue, if you don't want to use your IP address, you can put the domain name you want to use here, the web application name, like domain, the URL of the domain you want to use, or the website. As you can see, the attack is running already. And you say socket count 500. We are sending 500 connection to this network, to this my network, simultaneously. And it's happening simultaneously. So we are sending 500 requests and connection. All right. So the attack is up and running right now. And please, this video is only for educational purposes, please. All right. So that's why I'm doing it on my own network. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please, guys, you can pause the video now and subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right. Thank you. So the next thing to do, you can just open your Wireshark. I don't want to go there. I don't even want to open it. Okay, let me just see whether I can open it. Sudo Wireshark. Okay, let me put my password. So this thing can crash your system if you're not careful. All right. So once you are doing it, make sure you don't do it too much on your own network. Even on your own network is not good. Make sure you don't do it too much on your own network. So once you open your Wireshark, you can double click this your network interface. All right, this your network interface. Just double click it, so you can start analyzing and monitoring the attack that is going on. You can just open it. Once you open it, so after a while, you see that the traffic will start coming of what you are running already. It will start coming. So just stay here for a little, and the traffic will start coming. All right, so you can see the attack is still going. The attack is still going. All right, guys, this is how to run um, a DOS attack with slow lobbies and capture it or monitor it with Wireshark. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that whenever we upload a new tutorial, cybersecurity tutorials like this, so that you'll be notified. You get our notifications. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you in our next video.